May I now request Mr. Niranjan Prabhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, to introduce our guest, Mr. Suresh Lulla, to the gathering.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to introduce to you the chief guest of today's function. Mr. Suresh Lulla is a B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Bombay and an MS in Industrial Engineering from Wayne State University, Detroit. He is a senior member of American Society for Quality and a certified management consultant from the Institute of Management Consultants of India.
Mr. Prabhu. Good morning. Respected parents, incoming students, Mr. Shenoy, Mr. Guru Prasad, Mr. Bhatt, Mr. Abhishek, and my friend of 1 hour, Paul Childerhouse. I got it right. You've heard much about the IMC Ramkrishna Bajaj Award, which Manipal University has won. I'd like to spend a little time to assure you that that was no small achievement. It's a rigorous process whereby you have to present your university for all the strengths that you have actually achieved. Now, the model is holistic, and it starts with leadership. Leadership is about walk your talk. Walk your talk in terms of not only values, but also corporate social responsibility, triple bottom line, etc., which you will see an abundance of on this campus. Be assured. The second area is strategic planning. There's no dearth of strategic planning at Manipal University. It's grown from strength to strength, and essentially, what is strategic planning? It's a vision deployment exercise. They've defined a vision, and it's not just on the wall. They have translated that into reality. A third category is student focus. The emphasis is on a holistic development of the student. There is a curriculum, but there's a lot of extracurriculum activity which develop the student. Be assured. 3, knowledge management. What is knowledge? I'd go back to what is data. Data is raw facts. When data is processed with certain tools, it becomes information. But there's an overpouring of information. When you apply information, you get knowledge. And how you manage this knowledge, you've got to learn from this institution. I'm sure you're aware that it has the largest library in Asia. It's a benchmark. Next is employee focus. You're going to find happy employees here, be they faculty or be they staff. they're all going to, with great pride, tell you, we belong to Manipal. They'll even wear it on their shirts, their ties, on their hairbands, whatever you talk about. They are proud to be students of Manipal. And lastly, there's an emphasis on processes. Processes are across functions. It's not departmental. They're more interested in delivering results which come from processes. And as you can see, they've also extended it to supply chain management. They're not just looking after the process while it is in the ownership of Manipal University, but also from what comes in and what goes out. I can only assure you, you are in very good hands. And for this, I'd like to applaud this college.